Hello students, in this video we are going to read instructions on how to make paper beads. So let's start. You will need a color magazine, glue, a thin stick or a cane. What to do? Cut a strip of paper about 20 centimeters long. Put glue on one side of the paper strip. Roll the paper around the stick. Don't put the glued side next to the stick. These little rolls of paper will become the beads. Pull the bead off the stick. You can make more beads and thread them into a string to make jewelry. So that's all for now. I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.